So this is again Dr. C.H. Kiran Kumar dealing you the machine learning part. So let us now discuss what is called concept learning. Concept learning in machine learning. See, yesterday we have seen the hypothesis space. What do you mean by hypothesis space? Hypothesis antene oha or possible. So let us now discuss what do you mean by the hypothesis space with an example. So the example here is we have to find or separate the dolphins from a set of sea animals. From a set of sea animals, we have to take some set of sea animals, or sea animals will be given. So from that, we have to separate what are called dolphins. Now, so what are the characteristics of generally dolphin? Generally, the length is equal to 3 or 4 or 5. Gill means, so fish kuntai gill, dolphin kondo. So that is called gill ante poralanta, something like that. See, and beak is mukku, padda mukku, and teeth. So if all these conditions get satisfied, then we say it is a dolphin. It is a dolphin. Let us see this example, my dear friends. Right. Suppose you come across a number of sea animals that you suspect belong to the same species. You observe their length in meters. Same species and ఒకే రకమైన. You observe their length in meters. Whether they have gills, whether they have a prominent beak, and whether they have few or many teeth. See, our work is to check whether this animal is dolphin or not. Using these features, the first animal can be described by the following conjunction. Length is equal to 3, and gill is equal to no, beak is equal to yes, and teeth is equal to many. The next one has the same characteristics, but it is a meter longer. Okay, meter ekku undi. In that case, we can reduce the 4 conjunctions with just 3 conjunctions, like 3 literals. This is 1 literal, this is 2nd literal, this is 3rd literal. So gills, no. Length, as length is greater than 3, we can have gills, no, beak yes, and teeth many. The third animal is again 3 meters long, has a beak and no gills and few teeth. So your description becomes gills no and beak is equal to yes. So all remaining animals satisfy this conjunction. All remaining, you finally decide that they are of some kind of dolphins. This is what, so this is a learning conjunctive concept example. Now let us find the hypothesis space. The hypothesis space for this particular example. Let us find now the hypothesis space. Hypothesis space means possible instance space. Possible instance space. Let us see this. Now, in the above example, let us assume that these are also given. Length is 3, 4, 5. 3 spaces. 3 unnayandi, length. And other features have 2 values each. Other features have 2 values each. Suppose, let us assume this. Now, how many possible instances will come for this particular example? Multiplication of each cardinality of each feature set gives you the possible instance space. That is, the cardinality of length is 3. Why? The cardinality means the number of values. The cardinality means number of values for length is 3. That is why we have written here is 3. The cardinality of GIL is, see, other features have 2 values each annar kabatti. So the cardinality of GIL feature is 2. The cardinality of GIL feature is weak feature is 2. The cardinality of teeth feature is 2. So all together multiply just 24 possible instances వస్తాయి. అసలు ఎలా వస్తాయి? How do you say this? ఎలా? How? So let us assume this. See, length I have taken it as 3, 4, 5. 3 spaces తీసుకున్నాను. Let A1, A2 are 2 values of feature GIL. GIL features ni A1, A2 అనుకున్నాను. Weak feature ni B1, B2 అనుకున్నాను. Weak feature యొక్క values ni. Teeth feature, let us assume the teeth feature values are C1 and C2. Now if you see, what are all the possibilities? A1, B1, C1. See, A1, B1, C1. Similarly, A1, B1, C2. Hope you understood this. Now, possible values. So if you have a number locking system with just 1, 2, 3, then what are all the possibilities we are just writing? 1, see, 2, 3. This is one possibility. 1, 3, 2 is the another possibility. This is just this is what we are writing here, my dear friends. There is nothing more than that. Right. Now, if you see here, so A1, B1, C1. Similarly, A1, B1, C2. A1, B2, C1. So we changed this. Hope you understood this. A1, B2, C1. A1, B2, C2. A2, B1, C1. A2, B2, C2. A2, B2, C1 and A2, B2, C2. Total 8 possibilities are there. 8. So ఇది రాస్తే ఎవరికైనా అర్థం అవుతుందండి. సింపుల్, వెరీ సింపుల్. రాయకపోతే అర్థం కాదు. చదువుతా ఉంటే నాకే డౌట్ వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి I request you to kindly have a paper and pen. You just write these possibilities. Write these possibilities. Change. Say, for example, you have A1, A లో A1 ఉంది, A2 ఉంది. This is one set. The second set is B1, B2. The third set is C1, C2. Now write all possibilities. A1, B1, A1, B2, A2, B1, A2, B2. And we have, see, 3 ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి A1, B1, C1, A1, B1, C2, A1, then A1, B2, C1, A1, B2, C2, and A2, B1, C1, A2, B1, C2, A2, B2, C1, A2, B2, C2. In that way, we will get 8 possibilities. So with just 3. So ఇది ఎప్పుడు length 3 అయినప్పుడు, మళ్ళీ length 4 అయినప్పుడు same 8 వస్తాయి. Now length 5 అయినప్పుడు same 8 వస్తాయి. So all these possible instances are 24 possible instances. Now what is called hypothesis space? How do you determine the hypothesis space? Now this is called the hypothesis space, my dear friends. This is called, it looks a bit difficult, but you also can write this, but may not be enta andanga raayalememo kani you also can write this. This is just a true space. This is just a true. So everybody can enter into this. Everybody can enter. So this is just a true case. True case. True case. Now coming to this level. This is the first level. So here if you see, this is single literal interval. Single literal space. Single literal. This is 2 literals. 2 literals. This is 3 literals. And this is 4 literals. We have now seen, we have clearly seen in the previous slide, 4 literals unte, the possible instances space are 24. Ante ఇవి 24. Now, you please avoid these lines first. Lines oddu. So now we will see what are all these values. Let us see these values now. Now, first, single literal. See, single literal. What are all the possibilities? Second row, single literal. See, 3, 4, 5, A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, total 9 single literals. 9 single, total 9 single literal. See, if you see here again, see here, this is length L1. Length values are 3. 3 values given for length. 2 values given for the other ones. 2 values are given for other ones. What are the 3 values? Idi 3, idi 4, idi 5. So, ikkada emati A1. This is A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. These are the 9 values. These are the 9 values. These are the 9 values. Very simple. This is called single literal space. Single literal. If you take 2 literals, what happens? Now, let us take 2 literals, my dear friends. 2 literals means 2 features. Now, you have to take 2 features. Even every 2 features, I'll explain that. See, two literals. Even length and gill. తీసుకున్నాం అనుకో. Length possibilities 3, 4, 5. This is length. Gill possibilities A1, A2. So what are all the possibilities with just 2 features? 2 features, 2 literals. So 3 A1, 3 A2. Similarly, 4 A1, 4 A2, 5 A1, 5 A2. So how many are there here? 6 total. Now if you take, we have taken length and gill, my dear friends. Now you have to take length and beak, length and teeth. So that way, if you see the same thing with length and if you can take length and beak. Length beak తీసుకుంటే again length 3, 4, 5. This is B1, B2. So again we'll get 3, B1, 3, B2, 4, B1, 4, B2, 5, B1, 5, B2. So again, see here, any possibilities? Again, 6 possibilities. So let us take another one, so by which you will be knowing. So length and teeth. In the same way, you'll get 6 options. So total is 8. Now this No, if with length, gill, length beak, length teeth, you'll get 18 options. 18 options total. Now in the same way, if you see here, in the same way, you have to now you have to take length to type in. Now gill beak, you have to take gill and beak. And then you have to take gill and teeth. And the last one is beak and teeth. Now, gill beak, if you take gill possibilities are A1, A2. And beak possibilities are B1, B2. Now, if you draw the space, hypothesis space తీసుకుంటే A1, A2, A1, B1, A1, B2, A2, B1, A2, B2. So total 4. Now again in this case, right, in this case, gill teeth. Gill is B1, B2, A1, A2. This is C1, C2. So totally you'll get again A1, C1, A1, C2, A2, C1, A2, C2. Again, you'll get 4. So now here, if you take, this is B1, B2, and C1, C2. And if you consider this B1, C1, B1, C2, B2, C1, B2, C2. So totally, this gets you 18. This is 4. 22, 4. 26, this is again 4. This is again 4, 4. So totally 30. 30 will come, 30. That is, let us go back. So here it is in 2 literals, there are 30 literals. 30 possible literals. So length is, so here total is 30 literals. 30 with 30 possibilities with 2 literals. How many with, no, total we find it out, this is total 24 with 4 literals. Now find out with how many are there with 3 literals. 3 literals. 3 literals means, let us see that also. And 3 literals means, no, the possibilities are, so length, comma, gill, comma, beak. Is a possibility. The other possibility is length, beak, gill, and the teeth. The third possibility is length, comma, beak, comma, teeth. Is there any other possibility? There is no other possibility. The last possibility is beak, gill, comma, beak, comma, teeth. So these are the possibilities. Now, if you see this, with three possibilities, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, we have the set. 3, 4, 5, A1, A2, and B1, B2. So with this, we can construct. Now how many? 3A1, 3A, 3A1, B1. 3A1, 8 and 24 vaste B2. So we have already seen that. Similarly, see, 3A1, B1, 3A1, B2, 4A1, something like that. See, similarly here if you see 3, 4, 5. So this is GIL is A1, A2. This is C1, C2. Similarly here, if you see here 3, 4, 5. This is B1, B2. This is again C1, C2. And here if you see A1, A2, B1, B2, and C1, C2. So totally we'll get, see, malli indakatlagne sets kanaka rasukunte, so you will get here, no, totally we'll get 44. So let us go back to our hypothesis space, hypothesis tree. This is hypothesis space. This hypothesis space kelte, ippudu manaki it is clearly understood that see there are 0 ikkada ee level lo 9 unnai, ee level lo ఈ లెవెల్లో మనకి ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 30 ఉన్నాయి. And if you consider this level, ఈ 44 ఉన్నాయి. And ఈ లెవెల్లో we have already seen 24 ఉన్నాయి. So now how do you draw lines? Very easy, Andy. See, because this is 3, this is length 3. All possibilities వీటిల్లో ఈ 30లో ఏదైతే లెంగ్త్ 3 ఉన్నాయో ఆ బాక్సులకి ఇక్కడ నుంచి కనెక్షన్ ఇస్తాం. ఆ పాసిబిలిటీస్ కి ఇక్కడ నుంచి కనెక్షన్ ఇచ్చేస్తే సి ఇక్కడ లెంగ్త్ ఈక్వల్ టు, సో లెంగ్త్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4 ఉంది. 4 ఉన్నప్పుడు A1, A2, సి ఆల్ పాసిబిలిటీస్, ఆ పాసిబిలిటీస్ కి ఇక్కడ లైన్లు గీస్తాం. దిస్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ దిస్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ hypothesis space అంటారు. It is very difficult to understand hypothesis space, but it is also called as power set అని కూడా అంటారు. But computer science students కి so it is not that easy to understand this, but okay, I tried my level best to make you understand this particular hypothesis space. Now our aim is e hypothesis space ne by using some techniques like least generalization, we have to reduce this hypothesis space. We have to reduce. That is our aim. So we will talk about all these things in the next class. Hope you understood my difference. Let us just see this. Now, hypothesis space. The hypothesis space means the possible values. The possible values, my dear friends. The possible values. So you can see here the example. We have taken this as an example. So we have clearly taken all possibilities. Let me just right? We have taken all possibilities like this is length equal to 3. So right, the cardinality, what do you mean by cardinality? The possible values, the different value, the possible values is called cardinality of a feature. See, now 3 into 2 into 2 into 2, 24 possible instances. So this is called cardinality. So anyhow, you can easily see what are all 24 possibilities. The space, hypothesis space. Hope you understood. So total 44 here. So this is what it is. Hope you understood, my dear friends. Right? We'll see you in the next class. Thank you.